Hello students, come to the class number 18th class. Class 18. See the students, in the last class we have discussed the graphs of the trigonometric functions. The graphs of sin x we have discussed. Now let us go for the graph of cos x also. Draw the graph of cos x. Draw the graph of cos x. Here we are not writing the right there domain and range here. That is understood here. So let us see draw the graph of the cos x. Now we will draw the, as we have drawn the graph of a sin x in the previous class. It oscillates between, once again I recall the sin x graph student here. Once again I recall the sin x graph of the sin x here. So it oscillates between -1 to +1. It cannot exceed more than 1. And -1 it is. Now see the students, in the interval we have taken pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. So the same values, negative values, Cartesian plane here we are taking here. We are drawing the in the Cartesian plane. Now -3 pi by 2 and minus of 2 pi. Now see the here 1 plus 1, 2, it cannot proceed 1 and -1. For the Cartesian plane, I have taken the number line here. You may take the number line. So these are the domain, this is the y value, is the range here. So the domain is the set of all real values. The range, let us see the range here. When sin 0, 0 it is, the value is 0 it is. You know, sin 0 is 0. When sin 90, 1 it is. When sin pi again 0 it is. Sin pi again 0 it is. When sin 3 pi by 2 -1 it is. Minus of 1. When sin 2 pi 0 it is. Next, when sin of minus pi by 2 minus of sin theta -1 it is. Sin of minus pi 0 it is, whatever it may be. Minus 3 pi by 2 minus of 3 pi by 2. Again 3 pi by 2 is a -1. Minus of minus +1. Then -2 pi 0 it is. See the graph here. It oscillates between +1 to -1. This is the graph here we have studied here. Now see, the students here I will extend this graph also. You will come to know. I will expand this graph also, the students here. Now see, after 2 pi, 5 pi by 2, one more line, okay? 3 pi, minus 5 pi by 2, minus 5 pi by 2, minus 3 pi. See the students, let us calculate sin of minus 5 pi by 2 value. Minus sin theta. Sin of minus theta is minus of sin theta. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Then this is equal to minus of sin 5 pi by 2. See, pi and pi by 2 here, at whatever the value. So we want 5 pi by 2. Let us multiply by 2. 2 into 2, 4 pi plus pi by 2. So first quadrant it is again pi by 2, it is sin 2 pi plus theta, it is sin pi by 2. Then this is minus of. Then see this one, -1 it is. Sin minus pi by 2, it is minus of 1 it is. I have told all the multiples of n pi is 0 it is. Sin 5 pi by 2, let us take this minus n as it is. This is the sin pi by 2, plus 1 it is. Yes, definitely it is plus 1. Plus 1 and 3 pi 0. Like that it oscillates the graph students. Like that it comes out like that. Again it is whatever the maximum. It means that why I have taken the 2 more values here. So in the previous class we have taken up to 2 pi. You may take 4 pi up to, then 7 pi by 2 minus 7 pi by 2, 4 pi, 9 pi by 2, 6 pi, 5 pi. Like that you may take all the values here. So you may get the same type it is. So it means that the graph cannot exceed the value +1 and the -1. So therefore, what we have written, the range is, the domain is the set of all values here. All the values exist for the graph of y is equal to sin x, and the range is the only range minus 1 to plus 1. Range is minus 1 to plus 1. So this is about the graph of the sin x. Similarly, now we will take the graph of cos x. Let us see, we come to the graph of cos x, tan x, cot x. Let us go for the today's class. Let us see the graph of cos x. So this is about the sin x. I recall the graph of the sin x. Now come to the graph of cos x students. Let y is equal to f of x equal to cos x. Your function is for every x, where x is the domain and y is the region. You know, the first value is the domain and the final value is the region. So whatever we will use the values of x and calculating y according to the x-axis and y-axis. Here we are drawing the graph of this cos x here. Now see the students. We'll take the table here first. We'll draw the table. Graph of cos x. Let us calculate the values of the graph of the cos x. X value, y is equal to cos x, the function. X value, y is equal to cos x. Let us see here we will make the table student. We will make the table. Now you need the some intervals here, taking here pi by 2, 90, 180 like that, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, some intervals here we are taking it, the students. Now see, then when x is 0, cos x is 1, what is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1, it is y equal to cos 0 is 1. When x is pi by 2, what is cos 90? Cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 is 0. When x is pi, cos 180. Let us see this cos 180 plus 0 degree. Cos 0 degree, third quadrant negativities. What is cos 0 minus 1? I will take minus also, negativities. Sir, why you are taking plus minus also you may take. That minus also it is minus of 1. Second quadrant it is negative. 3 pi by 2. 0 it is. Remember the students? Cos odd multiples of pi by 2 are 0. You will get odd multiples of pi by 2. Cos odd multiple values of pi by odd multiples of pi by 2 values are 0. Sin n pi's are 0. Cos odd multiples of pi by 2 are 0. It means 1 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2. All the values are 0. Then 2 pi. Let us calculate the 2 pi. See where it comes. 2 pi it is. So after the rotation here, anti-clockwise direction, 2 pi. Positive value here. This is the x value here. 1 it is. Plus 1 it is. 1 by minus. So pi it is minus 1 on negative x-axis. So y value is here you may calculate the y value here on x-axis it is. So this is the plus 1 it is. Then let us take the negative values of these values here. Negative values of these. Here we have to draw the Cartesian plane on the Cartesian plane. These values we have to draw on the Cartesian plane here. So minus pi by 2. Minus pi. Minus 3 pi by 2. Minus of 2. Let us draw the values of these values. See the students, minus pi by 2, 0 it is, whatever it may be, cos odd multiples of pi by 2s are zeros. Now see the cos of minus pi, cos of minus pi, cos of minus theta plus cos theta, cos of minus theta plus cos theta. Then what? This is what? Cos pi, 180 plus 0 or minus 0, plus 0 or minus 0 in terms of, I have taken in terms of degree here to calculate the values, you know. Cos third quadrant, if it is taken plus, third quadrant negative, if it is taken minus, second quadrant that is also negative. What is cos 0? 1 it is, so minus 1 it is. Negative axis, see where it comes in the clockwise direction, where it falls on a negative y-axis only, on a negative y-axis only, where it falls. This is the minus y. This is negative x-axis only. This is the origin. So this is the Cartesian plane. Then y value is the negative only. Minus 3 pi by 2. Whatever the odd multiples of pi by 2s are 0. Cos odd multiples of pi by 2s are 0. minus of plus of cos theta, cos of minus plus cos theta, 3 pi by 2 is cos 270 degree. Yes, cos 270 can be written as either plus or minus. You can take either fourth quadrant if it is positive, cos 0, cos of 0 it is what is 3 pi by 2 plus cos of 3 pi by 2 plus. So yes, cos of 3 pi by 2 here. So it isn't changes here. When the angle is 270 and 90 degree, sin 0 it is either fourth quadrant, it is either positive or negative. What is sin 0 it is? 0 only, it is 0 only. So this is the value of cos of 3 pi by 2 straight. This is the value of cos of 3 pi by 2. The next come to the cos of minus 2 pi value. Then come to the cos of minus 2 pi value. See the cos of minus 2 pi y equal to cos 2 pi it is cos of 2 pi cos of minus theta plus cos theta. Let us calculate again. 360 degree it is 2 pi means 360 degree. Cos of 360 you may write plus 0 or minus 0. You may write cos 0 it is first quadrant it is positive. If it is fourth quadrant also positive, no problem. So what is cos 0 1 it is. So these are the values. So here also in the cos x also in the table what we have calculated in the table here. So here also the values of the y values are oscillating in between plus 1 and minus 1 only. 0 to 1 and minus 1. 1 and minus 1 only. So this is similar type of the sin x here. Both sin x and cos x have the same values here. But it is different here. But when passes through origin, sin x graph is passes through the origin, but it is not passes through the origin. Now let us see. Here we will draw the graph. You will come to know there the graph of the cos x here. Let us here. I will take the Cartesian plane straight. Y Cartesian plane y dash x o x dash axis. Here I will mark that intervals whatever we have taken the x values on x axis. Here I have taken the intervals 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 to pi, pi by 2 to pi, pi to 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Like that I have taken the intervals here. So let us see 0 it is pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Let us take the negative values also here, students. Minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, and minus of 2 pi. Plus 1, 2 it is. You don't have the 2 values here. Then also here I am taking to know minus 1 and minus 2. Now let us here I will mark the points in the students here. I will mark the points here. When x is 0, y is 1 it is. When x is 0, y is 1 it is. When x is pi by 2, decreases it is 0 it is. When pi minus 1 it is. Minus of 1. When x is 3 pi by 2, 0 it is. When x is 3 pi by 2, it is 0. You know odd multiples of pi by 2 is 0. When x is 2 pi, what is the y value? 1 it is again plus 1. Plus 1 student. Plus 1 it is. Then when x is minus pi by 2, 0 it is. Positive values here. You may take like that. After 2 pi also, you may get the same type of the values here. 1 up, 1 down. On 0 it is. When odd multiples of pi by 2, it becomes 0 here. When it is pi and depending upon the pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, it becomes positive and negative. Up or down, with that point will be goes. The next negative values are minus pi by 2, 0 it is. Minus pi, minus 1 it is. Minus pi, minus 1 it is. Minus pi, minus 1 it is. Correct? Minus pi, minus of 1 it is. X value is minus pi and y value is minus 1. Minus 3 pi by 2, 0 it is. 0 it is, and minus of 2 pi plus 1 it is again. Like that it goes, the values are 1 up and 1 down, positive 1 and negative 1. When 2 pi, 3 pi, like that here. But odd multiples of whatever the pi by 2s, it becomes 0 here. Now see the graph of this one also, the students. This graph also, you see the graph, this graph also. Now see, I will take like that. This is the graph here. See the students, this is also oscillates like that, up and down, up and down. This is also oscillates up and down, both the axes here. Below, above the horizon and below the horizon, that must same quantity. Here 1 and minus 1 it is. It can't exceed the more than 1 and minus 1 here. So it comes here again, it is 3, 5 pi, minus 5 pi by 2 comes down. 3 pi again it is plus 1, it goes like that it is 5 pi by 2, 0 it is, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 1, like that it goes here, like that. So this is the graph here. So this is also, it oscillates between here. Now let us see the range of this graph spread. So this is the plus 1 and this is the minus 1. See in the graph, both the axes, the graph can't proceed with 1 and minus 1. It oscillates in between 1 and minus 1. What it is? It oscillates between 1 and minus 1 only. So it can't proceed more than 1. Here the mark 1 and here the mark 2. Here the minus 1 and here the minus 2. It can't proceed the 1 and minus 1. It oscillates in between plus 1 and minus 1. Let us see the. We will discuss regarding the range. See the students? This is the range of the cos x. See, the domain of this graph is the set of all real numbers. Domain is the set of all real numbers, and the range is the it also same, it is minus 1 to plus 1, it is minus 1 to plus 1. It can't proceed in more than 1 and minus 1. So it positive plus 1 and minus 1 here. So therefore the range is the same as the sin x. This is the minimum value, this is the minimum value, and this is the maximum value. So therefore the graph of the cos x it oscillates in between plus 1 and minus 1. This is the graph of the cos x. You may take that next further values. It may comes like that. When 2 pi it is, when 5 pi by 2 like that, it comes up and down, but it can't proceed here. It can't proceed like that, it comes up and down like that here, but it can't proceed here. It oscillates in between both above the horizon and below the horizon here. So this is the graph of the cos x student here. Domain is the set of all real numbers. Domain is the set of all real numbers, and range is the in the closed interval in the minus 1 y. So this y value less than or equal to 1 and greater than or equal to minus 1. So this is also you may represent like that also the y value. Y means what it is? The range, whatever the value, giving the x value, calculating the y here. Domain, first value is the domain. Yes, when giving the values domain here, the range it is. So minus 1 to plus 1. So remember the students here, range, this means minus 1 to plus 1 means this is the minimum value and this is the maximum value. Minimum value and maximum value. So this is about the cos x graph student. This is about the cos x graph. Similarly, go for the tan x graph. You should write domain and range here. Domain and range. Now see the student. Let us see the tan x graph. We'll go for the tan x graph. Now, tan x graph student. Draw the graph of tan x and write their domain and range. Let us see the students. Tan x. Same type. Let us draw the tan x here. Let y is equal to f of x equal to tan x. Your function is y is equal to f of x equal to tan x. Let us here will make the table as usual as we have done in the sin x and cos x. Let us can make the table here. Tan x it is. Now here making the table, student. Yes. This is the tan x and calculating the values here. Let us do the values of x and calculating the y value. X it is, y it is, y is equal to what is the function? Tan x. Yes, tan x calculating tan x, yes, sin x calculating sin x values, or cos x calculating it. Let us do the values here. 0. Here I will write the values, student. I will write the values. Now see the students. We will write the values here. The domain is the set of all real numbers, but let us see. Here I am using but one value does not exist. Let us see which value does not exist. When x is 0, tan 0 is 0. Tan 0 is 0 value, no, sin 0 is 0. Remember the student? Sin n pi's are zeros. And tan n pi is also zeros. Because tan is a sin by cos. The numerator is 0. Numerator is 0, anything is 0. Numerator is 0, whatever, don't bother about denominator. 0 it is. Next, I will write the domain values here first. Set of values in the interval, what we have taken, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. The negative values, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi, minus of 2 pi. Now see, minus of 2 pi. Let us calculate. You know what is tan 90 not defined? Tan 90 is not defined. Infinity. Tan pi 0 it is. Tan 3 pi by 2 not defined. Tan 2 pi 0. These are the positive values here. We are getting like that, the students. 0 and 1 is infinity. Not defined the number. Let us see. The negative value is also same. When minus pi by 2, it is minus infinity. Again infinity. This is 0. This is minus infinity. Again infinity. 0 it is. See the students. Let us will come to know. We will draw the graph here. Suppose to be. Let us here I will take the Cartesian plane here. Let us here I am taking the Cartesian plane. Suppose to be. This is the x value. X value is y values. X dash, negative x axis, negative y axis. Let us see the student. 0 it is. Let us say mark here. Pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, minus pi by 2, negative values. Minus of pi, minus of 3 pi by 2, minus of 2 pi, and marking the number line. Whatever we have taken the domain here, here domain is in terms of radians we have taken here. Here we are calculating the trigonometric functions. You need in terms of degrees and radians. The set of all real numbers we have converted in terms of radian. Radian values here we have taken. Let us see the students. According to this table, we have calculated whatever in the previous two sin x and cos x graph. What we have taken that intervals 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Those intervals we have taken those values of whatever similar type of values for tan x also we have taken. Here we are getting only 0 and infinities. Let us see. So 0, tan 0, 0 it passes through the origin. Graph passes origin. But what type of we don't know. Infinity pi by 2. See the student. pi by 2. See the infinity, you don't know the students. You don't know that value where it stops. Infinite. Like that we are taking the dotted line on that particular interval pi by 2, that x value, on that particular of x values, like that dotted value is taken. Either you don't know above or below where it will stop that value, infinite, infinity values. Then when pi is 0, pi 0, 3 pi by 2, again infinity. Like that dotted line is taken, again infinity. Then 2 pi 0 it is. 2 pi 0 it is. When 2 pi 0 it is. Minus pi by 2. Infinity. In the x value of minus pi by 2 infinity. Minus pi 0. Minus 3 pi by 2 again infinity. Is it minus 3 pi by 2 infinity? Here, see the students, I have marked like that the infinity lines. You don't know where that value stops. That I have taken the dotted lines here. Infinity. Next minus 2 pi. Again 0 it is. You will get it same type of minus 5 pi by 2 infinity. Minus 3 pi 0. 7 pi by 2 infinity. 4 pi 0 like that here. Here also same after 2 pi. 5 pi by 2 infinity. 3 pi 0. Like that you may get like that the infinity lines and 0, infinity lines and 0 it is. Then we have to draw the graph here. We have to see what type of the graph of this y is equal to tan x, y is equal to tan x. Let us to know this one here. Here I will take that in between the infinity lines, one I have chosen this one, this interval, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. In between the values I will take the friends. Which one? Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. I have to choose this one. Anyone you may choose. You may take these values here, in between the values here. Taking in between the values here. Let us see the students here. This is 45 degree, 0 to pi by 2, pi by 4 it is. Pi by 4 it is. And here, pi by 4 to pi by 2, 45 to 90, 60, that is pi by 3. Similarly, 0 to pi by 4, 30 degree, pi by 6. These values here I am taking the students here. These values here we are taking the students. Pi by 6 it is. Pi by 6 it is. The next here minus pi by 4. Same way. Minus pi by 4. Minus pi by 6. Minus of pi by 6. Just you have to see that what type of minus of pi by 3. 60 degree. Then 90 degree. Minus of pi by 3. Let us we may calculate here. I will extend that this table student for further these values. Here I am extending these values here. Let us see that these three values, 3 positives and 3 negative values. 3 positive and 3 negative values. Let us see what we have taken the 3 positive values. 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Minus 30 degree, minus 45 degree, minus 60 degree. These are the 3 positive values and 3 negative values we have taken. Because of we have to draw on a Cartesian plane here, you need some positive values and some negative values here. So which values we have taken? Pi by 6, 30, 45, 60 degree. That is in terms of radian, pi by 6, pi by 4 and pi by 3. The negative of these values are minus pi by 6, minus pi by 4, minus of pi by 3. Negative values of these values. Now let us calculate y value. Y equal to tan 6 pi by 6, 30 degree. Tan of a 30 degree. What is tan 30 degree? 1 by root 3. What is root 3? 1.7 something, 77 something. Then what is 1 by 1.77? 0.57 approximately. 577 like that you have the values. Let us here take 0.57, 2 digits and take this answer. You know very well, tan 45 degree, 1 it is, pi by 4. Tan of pi by 4, it is a 1 it is. This value is 1 it is. You know very well, tan pi by 4, 1 it is. The next, we will go for the tan 60, that pi by 3. tan of pi by 3, tan of 60 degree root 3 it is. Tan of 60 degree. Tan 60 is equal to root 3 value it is. What is root 3? 1.7 something. 1.7 something it is. 1.7 something it is. The next minus same type of that negative values to accept. Same type of negative values. Minus pi by 6. Negative values. Tan of minus theta minus tan theta. Minus of tan pi by 6. You know, just 30 degree. What is 30 degree? 1 by root 3. This you have calculated already. It is with minus of 0.77. Minus of 0.77. So this is the minus of 0.577. Or just to take 57. Similarly, don't confuse the values, friends. Let us here taking that I have selected one interval infinity to infinity. This is negative of 0.57. Next, minus pi by 4, that is the minus 1, there is no question, it is minus of 1. Let us see the minus tan pi by 3, 60 degree. Tan of minus theta minus tan theta minus of, this is root 3 it is. Minus root 3, this is minus 1.77 it is, 1.77. So let us take it, 1.7 it is, minus 1.7. Let us here I have not marked the on a y-axis because of these values I am getting here, 0, infinity, 0. So now we will take the values here, 1, 2, 1, 2. Negative values minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 and minus 2. Let us will mark these values I have selected in the interval pi by 2, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That two infinity lines I have selected it. You may select this one also. The similar type here we are trying for these infinity lines here. The same type of graph will get the students here. Now let us see minus pi by 6, minus 0.57. What it is? When minus pi by 6, first we are making positive values here. Pi by 6 plus pi by 6, 0.57 means more than half it is, 0.6 approximately. Here half it is. Then here I will take the structure. I will mark here. Pi by 4, what it is? Pi by 4, what it is? 1 it is exactly 1. Yes. Then 1.7, pi by 3, 1.7 it is. 1.7, near to 1.7 it is. Then pi by 3 it is. Yes. Similarly, the negative values here, minus pi by 6. For a minus pi by 6 here, I will take the 0.6 exactly 0.6 it is. Near 1 minus pi by 4 minus 1 it is. Minus of 1. Like that, taking the values, and you know very well in the previous classes for the algebraic graph, we have drawn the many such types of graphs here, students. Minus pi by 3 minus 1.7 it is. Minus pi by 3 minus 1.7. Near to the, yes. So in between the infinity lines, you get either the graphs and structure. Let us have a take the line again. Yes, like that I will join here. This type of the graph in between the lines here, you get it the graph students here. Then similarly here I will draw for these two interval students. Like that, can't touch that infinite lines. Similarly, I will take for these two intervals also the students. Like that here, in between the infinity lines, it can't stop it is. You may give the values here, you will get it the values here. So this is about the graph of the, this is about the graph of the tan x, this is about the graph of the tan x students here. This is about the graph of the tan x. So let us see the domain and range here. The domain and range of this graph here. So that is important. Domain of the tan x is the function domain is the tan x is the set x such that domain is the set of all the values of x such that x is, so the domain is the set of all real numbers, but x is not equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Why not equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2? When it becomes 90 degree, 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Put n is equal to 0, 1 pi by 2. Put n is equal to 1, 3 pi by 2. At that time, the what you have already not defined. So therefore, the domain is the set x, such that x is the set of all real numbers, but x is not equal to such values are not. Such values are not. That is why this one, because of at that time the domain becomes infinity, not defined. So clear, students said domain is the set of all real numbers, but x is not. X is not equal to odd multiples of pi by 2, 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. This is about the domain of the graph tan x, domain of the graph tan x here. So next, the range is the, let us see the students here. Range is the set of all real numbers. The range is the set of all real numbers. There is no limitations. The domain is the set of all real numbers. It can't stop the graph here. It may exceed according to the values here. So this is about the graph of the tan x, students. This is about the graph of the tan x. So the graph of tan x is graph of the tan x. See, I recall the students here. This is graph of the tan x, graph of the tan x. Here function is y is equal to f of x. Here first of all I have taken the values here up to this student here. So the what we have studied in the intervals, up to in the intervals, particular standard intervals, pi by 2, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, that is standard intervals I have taken. The students have 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 pi, the negative values of these one. Here I am getting only the value 0 and infinity, 0 and infinities. 0 and infinity, 0 and infinities. All the values here we are getting the infinities. So after taking, here I have taken the intervals 0 to pi by 2. Here I am getting only the interval lines, that infinity lines, 0 and infinity, 0 and infinity. So then what I have done, later I have chosen the one interval, this interval I have chosen here, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. You may take any one interval, let us here. So in minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 I have taken here. In between this minus pi by 2, what I have taken, the three values I have taken, positive 3 values and negative 3 values. You may take both the positive values also, no problem. So this is in between this pi by 4 it is, and pi by 60 degree pi by 3, then in between this pi by 4 it is smaller, the difference of, then here also that pi by minus pi by 4, minus of pi by 6 and minus of pi by 3 I have taken. So that I have taken here 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degrees. The negative of these values here I have taken here. Negative of these values here I have taken the students here. So I have plotted the points here. So these 3 points here on a positive x-axis above, and these negative values getting below on the negative one. Negative below the origin here, students here. This is the origin above. Below the origin 3 points I have taken. Above the origin here, after taking that x values, here you get that mark y values here, 3, 6 y values, 3 above the origin values and 3 below the origin values here. So that I have joined these 3 points above and below here, like that here you are getting the curve here in between the infinity lines. So this is about the graph y is equal to tan x, y is equal to tan x, y is equal to tan x here. So let us see the domain. Domain is the set x. Domain is the set x. The set x, where x is the set of all real numbers, set of all real numbers is the set of all real numbers. But one condition given here, but x is not equal to, and x is not equal to odd multiples of pi by 2, these are not values. X values are not. Whatever the infinity values we have got now, these are the not. Except in that particular set. This is the condition of the domain. This is the condition of the domain. And range is the set of all real numbers. Range is the set of all the real numbers. So this is about the graph of the tan x, students. So similarly, we'll go further in the next class, cot x, secant x and cosecant x here. So this is detailed we have studied here. In the next class, we'll go through the remaining all the three graphs here. So with this, today's class, I conclude the students here. I conclude the today's class students here. Thank you students. Thank you.